So this is how to take out the overhead console on an Excursion and Expedition. It's the same part. The only tool that you'll need is just a Phillips head screwdriver. That screw is right in the forward, right up here. So we're going to take that out. There's two retention clips up in the front. You just get your fingers underneath the edges of the plastic, more so up toward the front, and just pull it down. It sounds like you're breaking it, but you're not, just retention clips. And then also in the back,
oh no,
there's one in the back. We'll pull that down. And then you can see it's just hanging. There's wires in the front that hold it, and then there's also a metal bracket in the back that hold it. What you'll need to do is kind of lift it up just a little bit and move it forward, and then drop it down. You can see up here in the back, there's these little tangs that hold that in as it rests on. So now that you have that, the whole thing's down, and you can work on it from there. I'll show you on the bench how to do the rest of it easier. All right, to reinstall it, you're just going to make sure that back is up. Push the back in. Make sure your metal retention clips are still there. Just press that up, and then take and reinsert your screw.
Thank you.
There we go. Alright, so this is show you how it comes out on the bench with the bracket. Like I said, in the center, there's the Phillips head screwdriver. You unscrew from the center. And then there's the clips in the front that you grab and pull it open. One in the back, you grab and you pull it open. So this is what it looks like. There's a metal bracket that's mounted, some of them are plastic, to the roof of the vehicle. The center screw screws into this portion, and then there's these metal tabs right here that go through these little slots, and in the back there's one more slot with a metal tab. So when you're pulling on it, you're pulling that through that bracket hole, and the same in the back. So there's the holes in the back, the screw center, and then the tabs and the hole in the back. So again, here's the screw hole, here's the metal tabs that press in the bracket, and again the metal one in the back. So that's how it comes out, pretty simple. I'll show you next how to take the drawer dome light assembly